Morning everyone, I hope everybody is doing fine. So today we have the revision for chapter number 3, which is elimination. Can everybody see the first question? Solve it using elimination method and tell me the value for x and y. We'll do 3-4 questions based on proper elimination method for different types of question plus 2 to 3 word problems. Clear? 2 to 3 word problems. I hope everybody can see the screen properly. Start doing it. I hope people remember how to solve things using elimination. I'm pausing the video, kindly do it. Anyone who's got the answer for question number 1, confirm. Question number 1, the value for x and y using elimination. Anyone who has the answer? The value for x will be 2. How many have got the answer? X as 2.
Sir, y equals to 3.
Y equals to minus 3. Very good. The value for x is 2. Value for y is minus 3. People who could not get the answer, the solution is right here. Kindly see, go through it and check where you've gone wrong. Pause the video. We'll start the recording. I believe students have done question number 1. So now we'll move on to question number 3. Can everybody see the question properly? I want you to calculate the answer for x and y and tell me first. You'll have exactly 2 minutes to solve. After that we'll start the recording again. Now 3 students have already answered. Very good. 2 and 3 is the answer people have told. So let's verify. So over here we directly multiply this with just a moment. Okay, yes. Can everybody see the screen properly? We'll just multiply this with 2.2 and this with 0.3. Clear? After solving it, we'll get x is equals to 2 and y is equals to 3. Clear everyone? X will be equals to 2 and y will be equals to 3. Now we'll move on to our next question. This is the question. Can everybody see the question properly? Yes or no? This is x7 divided by x plus y by 2 is equals to 10. I'll pause the video, do it now. The solution now. I've already told you that you have to first take the LCM and formulate the equation in normal form, ax plus by plus c. So this is the equation, the first equation, and this happens to be the second equation, 2x plus y, and then 2 goes up and then cross multiply. We'll be getting the second equation as 10x plus 5y is equals to 7. Clear? These are your first and second equation. So you can easily eliminate y from here or even x from here. If you want to eliminate y, you will directly multiply it with 5 and you will directly multiply it with 2 and then subtract equation 1 and 2 to get the answer. Clear? Clear? After having solved this, you'll be getting the value for y as 0.6 and x as 0.4. How many have completely understood this numerical? It is a very simple one. It's just that it is a bit twisted, right? Since nobody had given me the answer, I would expect you to copy it down now. Hurry up, I'll pause the video for 1 minute. Now after having done this numerical, we'll move on to the next one, which is another type of numerical. This will be equation, this you cannot term it as equation 1 and 2. It's just that you'll have to multiply things and then formulate the things into again ax plus by is equals to c's form, and this equation will be named as 1. I would expect people to do it and calculate the value for x and y. Hurry up, kindly do it. I'll pause the video till the time you do it. Yeah. So after having solved this equation, you'll be getting the first equation as 2x minus 7y is equals to 3. I hope people have got this first equation. And the second equation will be 3x plus 4y is equals to 19. Is it clear? This will be your two different equations. And after having solved it, I don't think it will be a big problem for you all to solve this. Multiply this with 4, multiply this with 7. You'll directly land up getting the value for x as 5 and the value for y as 1, minus 7 by minus 7. Is it clear to everyone? How many got this answer? Kindly confirm. We'll now move on to a different set of question. Is this numerical done? Should we move on to the next type? Yes or no? Okay. We'll move on to a next type of question. It's a very different kind. Unlike normal numericals. Yeah, here we have the question. Can everybody see the question properly? It's a very nice question. Two equations have been given to you. You've been asked to find out the value for x and y. And then you have to go on to find the value for lambda. Okay, this term is known as lambda symbol. So you'll have to calculate the value for x and y and then substitute the values for x and y in this equation to get the value for lambda. Okay, I'll give you exactly around 2 minutes to solve it. Let's see who can get me the answer first. I hope people have understood what to do in this numerical. It's a very different kind of numerical. You should give it a try first. Now we'll start discussing the answer for question number 4 for today. I have to calculate the answer. To calculate x and y, when you take the LCM over here, cross multiply, you will get the value for x and y as the first of all the equation needs to be formed third and fourth. Once the equations are formed, x and y can be calculated as 340 and minus 165. Okay, 340 and minus 165. And after you got the value for this, you directly substitute in this value in the equation y. Just a moment. Y is equals to mx plus 5. Clear? Substitute x from here, substitute y from here. You will get the value for lambda. Can anybody tell me what is the value for lambda? Is there anyone in the class who can tell me what is the value for lambda? What is this plus? No. I need the value for lambda. It's coming out to be minus 1 by 2. Clear? Kindly go through this properly. Now, today's homework will be question number 51. Can everybody see question number 51? This will be your homework. You have to find the length and breadth. You have to find the value for x and y. Clear? Kindly draw this numerical. And one more numerical is this one. Question number 52. Clear? Kindly take a screenshot of this numerical. These two numericals will be homework. Now, I'll end the recording out here. If anyone has any doubts, you can ask me now.